alphabet with sounds. ඔන්න අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි අකුරු 26ම sounds එකයි පින්තූර එකයි චූටිම මාස 6 පැටියකින් ඉඳන් ලොකු අය දක්වාම අවුරුදු 7ට බබා වෙනකම්ම කොහොමද කියලා දෙන්න කියලා කරන්න යන්නේ. What is this? Airplane. Yes. Who is this? Ant. Who is this? Ant. Okay. What is this? B. What's the sound of letter B?
B.
B. What's the sound of letter B? B. B.
Sometimes I'm just telling baby. Baby.
What is this? Judy, what is this?
Car.
Very good. What's the sound of letter C?
C. K.
K. C. What is this? Who is this?
Cute dog.
Who is this? Who is this?
I'm telling you, baby dog.
Dog. What's the sound of letter D?
D. Drums.
Drums. Yes. What is this?
Elephant.
Who is it?
Elephant.
Who is it? What's the sound of letter E?
E.
E. A.
Mommy.
Ear. Ear. Yes. What is the sound of letter E?
This one.
This one A. This one E. Yes. E අකුරේ sound එකක් තියෙන එකක් A අනිත් එක E. හරි? Oh, who is it? කවුද මේ?
No.
Frog. Frog. What's the sound of letter A?
Flower.
Okay. Good. What's the sound of letter G? G. Okay. Who is it, Judy?
Horse.
Horse. What's the sound of letter H? Very good. Oh, what is this? Yummy.
Ice cream.
Yummy.
Yummy ice cream.
Ice cream. What's the sound of letter I? Sound එකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් I අනිත් එක E. මේක I. Who is it? Insect. Jellyfish. What's the sound of letter J? J. What sound? J. What is this?
Kite.
What's the sound? K. K. Oh, who is it, Judy? Baba's favorite? Lion. Monkey. 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 Who is she? Very good. Who is this? කවුද මේ? Who is this? What's the sound of letter O? Owl. මේ කවුද? Octopus. Who is it? Octopus. What's the sound of letter O? O. Who is it? Panda. What's the sound? P. Oh, who is she? කවුද මේ? Queen. කවුද Judy?
Baby
Queen. Yes. Queen. Regina නේ.
Fairy.
Okay. Rocket. What's the sound of the letter R? Rocket. Then, who is it?
Snake.
Oh, snake. What's the sound? Yes. Who is it?
Tiger.
What's the sound of letter T? Make up. Umbrella. Sound of letter U? Who is it? Unicorn. What is this? Van. What's the sound of letter V? V. Who is it? Whale. What's the sound of letter W? කොහොමද කරන්නේ එහෙම කටුල් කළා whale water
Now it's the cutest one in the
Who is it? the sound of letter X? What is it? Yolk. Kahamada. What's the sound of letter Y? Y. Who is it?
Zebra.
Zebra or zebra? Oh. What's the sound of letter Z? Z. චූටි මායට පුළුවන් මේකෙන් පින්තූරෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න, වචන ඉගෙන ගන්න, හරියට ප්‍රොනවුන්ස් කරන විදිය තියෙනවා අනිත් පැත්තේ. හරි? වචන කියවන විදිය, වචනේ තේරුම මේ හැම දෙයක්වත් එක්ක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. පෙන්නලා අපිට යාලට මතක වර්ධන වේගය වැඩි කරන ප්‍රධාන ක්‍රමයක් තමයි මේක. හරහා අපිට පුළුවන් ළමයින්ට හරි ලේසියෙන්ම කියලා දෙන්න. හරි?